Okay, providing that we don't have any loud bangs or anything like that, I did this on ukulele. Tabbed it out and everything. Just wanted to bring ukulele a little bit more into the Wednesday get-togethers and riff playing. Happy 4th, everyone. Have a safe and sane 4th. Stay home. Don't get in large groups. No, no, no. Wear your face coverings when out and about. Wash your hands frequently. Just stay well. And hopefully next year, by this time, we can get back to having fireworks shows and doing all the things that we normally do. So, without further ado, have a good one, and I'll be back a little later.